She knows this boat, she recognizes us. She knows that we're safe and we're not a threat to her or her pride and joy. Humpback whales, ladies and gentlemen, can live upwards of 50 years of age. And many of them, they're returning here season after season. For quite a lot of them, Bay Bulls is their favorite restaurant for capering. Because that... Whoa, baby, doing a handstand! Look at that! Yeah! So keep making noise, everybody. Baby's getting a little bit frisky. If you let her know that you're in the mood to party, she's going to be in the mood to party too. So keep it going. Oh, look, she's coming over. She's coming over. Keep making noise. Keep waving. Everybody on their right side, the starboard side, do a big wave out from your shoulder. Big wave from the shoulder, like what I'm doing. Big, long wave. They can see the shadow of that on the water, and it's pretty cool. Look, here she comes. With a smile on that this time. There's baby, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, another tail this time. Oh, look at that. She's rolling around here like a little puppy dog.
You can stay right here, boy. It's looking right at you. It's almost straight ahead.
And as big as a whale.
So the waters of Newfoundland, ladies and gentlemen, is the largest grouping of feeding humpback whales in the world. Here she comes every 3
Here
days.
she comes.
Keep waving, keep making waves. I can still see her there over the surface of the water. And here she comes, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at her, she's as big as a whale. Comes the baby. Way back, everybody, way back. She's waving to it. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Good job, good job.
Oh, yes. That's what you came to see. And there's Say, look at that.
Bingo!
Okay.
Just marvelous, ladies and gentlemen. Off comes baby again. There she is. Keep making noise. Keep waving to him. Hello, mama. Come on over, mama.
You want to go sit down there? You want to go outside? You want to sit down? It's beautiful. You want to sit down? Say thank you.
And there's baby right up ahead of us, right at 12 o'clock. We're getting real good looks at him now down on the bow. And mama's jumping.
Sit on your own, please. Oh my God.
So right behind mama, you're going to notice there's some different coloration there in the water. That is a Caitlin smoothie that she just let out there that time. No porta potties for whales. Those are stove boats, is what they're locally known as. Rocal boats is their scientific name. And they have a single hair follicle in them, which can sense vibrations in the water column, and that's how they hunt for prey. That's kind of how they listen, is those hair follicles picking up vibrations in the water.
Bennett, you got to stay in the seat, but you're going to fall for yourself.
That's right.
promise. And you thought this was going to be the anticlimactic part of the tour. After the show we just saw, I hope we have a few birders on board. So folks, again, how about a great big round of applause for Cherry and Noah showing us those lovely whales. Cameron and Cap, the best show I've seen so far this year. It's been fantastic. Glad to be able to share with you. As Noah said earlier, folks, my name is Matt, and I'll do a little bit of the interpretation of the island for you. So if you have any questions, please just ask. What's that? How the eggs cooked? Look. They can be like. And which kind of eggs? The puffin eggs are going to be very similar in size to this mother the chicken egg. And then a person that lives on the island called the common bird, that's their egg right there. Don't break it. Oh yeah, that's me. That's just that decoy, sweetheart. Come on now. So folks, welcome to Gull Island. It is the largest of 4 islands within the Witness Bay Ecological Reserve. Home to 1.5 million nesting seabirds. And included in that you will be able to find a few puffins. Who has not yet seen a puffin? Don't you put that hand up, sweetheart. You, listen, if you haven't seen a puffin yet, there's not a whole lot more we can do for you. If you're looking for your puffins, check up in the grassy slopes. All the white bellies you see up there, they're going to be your puffins. We're going to have some in the water surrounding the boat, lots of puffins on the water as well. And of course, lots flying overhead, folks. And if you do look up to see your puffins flying, please do so with keeping your mouth firmly shut. If you have a hat or a hood, now is the time to don it. Alright? But if you look up, folks, you're going to see your puffins. Black and white bird, very stubby. Oh my God, there was one that he almost landed on your head. And so you're looking for your puffins up in the air, folks. Little black bird, white chest, black back, black wings. But of course the white face and the orange beak. Looks very much like a potato with wings. And it has the exact same aerodynamic properties that you'd expect a potato to have. Hence the very rapid wing beat, folks. All these puffins, upwards of 300 wing beats per minute just to stay in the air, alright? 300 a minute just to stay in the air, alright? Very, very bad flying, okay? So bad, in fact, that if we had a puffin land on the deck of this boat, it could be yours. I wouldn't even charge you for it. And you got the egg too. My God, you're set. Right? They cannot take off from flat land. Alright? The only flat surface these puffins can take off from is the water, and that's only if there's a strong enough headwind. Alright? The other time that these puffins become, I'll say, immobile when it comes to flying at least, is after they eat. These puffins will eat twice their body weight. Alright, per day. When they do, oh yes, per day, when they do, they will actually render themselves completely flightless. They will literally be too fat to fly. Alright, same as myself after a big Sunday dinner, you have to lie down on the couch. Right? Yeah, it's common across the board, right? And folks, your puffins, if you look up to the grassy slopes there, that's where they make their home. They will actually use the slope of the land to help them attain flight, okay? And because they can't take off from flat land, they make their home up on the slope. And in order to attain flight from there, that basically involves walking out to the nearest cliff they can find, jumping off, flapping their wings and praying to God. They can walk. Oh yeah, they got the little shuffle. The puffin shuffle. Yeah. No, I don't know if that's right or not, but anyway, that's what you're going to do. That's what you're going to tell everyone when you go home. That's the puffin shuffle. That's how I dance downtown. Listen, bicycles, yeah, they do their own paint job. They take care of their own paint job. Very easy to see the stature of the common murre here now, though. Looks very much like a penguin, don't they?
I know, look at it.
Yeah, not related to the penguin, though, folks. The murres and the puffins both come from the auk or the alcid family of birds. Yes, same kind of thing. They're a little bit better at flying than the puffins, but you can see even in the air, very rapid wing beats as well. But there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, Gull Island and all of its glory and grandeur. Does anyone have any questions about anything they've seen so far?